Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, and we're here today to announce the sale of our 2022 Yamaha R7 STG project bike. Okay, it's time to sell the 2022 STG R7 project bike. Let's start by sharing a couple of details. This bike was bought brand new and never ridden on the street. It is being sold as a track-only motorcycle. As you can see, there is no street bodywork included with this. This bike is built and prepped for the racetrack. Are you ready for this? It has a whopping 677 miles on it. This bike got used for a couple of coaching days with our friends at Precision Track Days by Max Van. And then I rode it one time at a Weira practice day and another time at a local track day. So it really just did not get a ton of use. It's a great bike. Each of us had a lot of fun riding on it. As previously mentioned, this is fully track prepped. We're selling the bike for $11,000. Anyone who purchases a bike from me, they get to buy personal purchases here from STG for 1 full year at STG staff cost. So if you need suits, boots, helmets, gloves, whatever, for your own personal use, there's a tremendous savings built into that. Now we'll jump in and kind of describe the build. We'll start off with the suspension. I installed K-Tech 20 DDS fork cartridges in the front forks. It's got the K-Tech DDS Pro rear shock. It has an Öhlins steering damper, right, mounted under there, with a Graves steering damper mount as well as a Graves steering stop. It has an M4 full exhaust system, of course, the best. The Yamaha R7 airbox, that really woke this bike up. That was it, because the engine's, it's stock. There was a noticeable power difference with that. That was a good change for sure. We've got a Yoyodyne slipper clutch inside there. GB Racing engine cover protectors. Woodcraft frame sliders. Woodcraft axle sliders, both front and rear. Graves adjustable rear sets. Spiegler brake lines in yellow because they look amazing, front and rear. We have Vesra RJL brake pads on the front. Those things are like new as well, very few miles on them. For bodywork, we have the Armor Bodies R7 race bodywork kit installed. And this was painted by our friend Reese Briotti at REB Graphics. He did the paint, as well as designed and installed the wrap that you see on the bike. I'm slightly biased, but I think it looks absolutely amazing. We've got Tech Spec tank grip, driven lever guard. We have a Norton Motorsports soft throttle pull spring in there. That's super nice. There's hardly any pull to it. It's great. Zero gravity windscreen. Coming around the bike, we have driven captive chain adjusters installed. Driven spools. Driven sprockets, front and rear. Driven sprocket nuts. I forget the gearing change I made right now, but obviously, you know, I can check the sprockets I have on there and let you know what those are if you're interested. We have a Woodcraft large coverage toe guard installed. For engine coolant, we have water wetter. Woodcraft clip-ons. We have a Woodcraft ignition eliminator. The key is gone. And then we have a driven gas cap. I think that's it. It's a nice clean build. It's a good bike. Oh, we have driven captive wheel spacers installed on it as well. Realistically, the suspension, if you look at the retail on the suspension, there's $4,000 worth of suspension parts. Then you got probably a $1,000 full exhaust system. I'm pretty sure this airbox was not cheap. You go through this and you start adding up all the parts. The bodywork's $1,000. The slipper clutch is $1,000. There's probably over $8,000 worth of parts on this bike. They've barely been used because it's hardly been driven. It's never been crashed. It was never raced. Who is this bike right for? This bike is right for somebody who's looking for the Yamaha R7 to ride as a track day machine, right? You want a good handling bike that's a ton of fun to ride, that's very well assembled. Slightly biased there. I'm the one who assembled it. This is the one for you. Okay, if you're interested in purchasing the bike, you can reach us at the shop by phone Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 at 888-784-4327, or you can send an email directly to me at service@sportbiketrackgear.com.